Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. Today I am going to be reviewing with you the Cle De Peau Beaute oil right here. If you guys are wondering, I am in my new beauty room. It is not done yet. I'm on the floor in a corner. We're gonna do this because I gotta talk about skincare. The world does not stop because there is renovations going on. Skincare must go on. Okay, so we're going to be talking about the Cle De Peau Beaute oil. If you are interested in knowing about this product and what I think about it, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started on this oil. I was lucky enough to get a sample of it and I've been using it. And you know what? Oils I do not go through a lot. Like I've only used, I feel like I've been using this forever, but I literally use drops, like 1 to 2 drops of oil a night. And I've been giving this product a go. I'm gonna apply it for you today and I'm gonna just share a little bit of detail about it. Okay, you guys, so I am on the Cle De Peau website. Here is the full-size version and it goes for $168 for 2.5 ounces of oil. And the ultra luxury world that this product is in, I think that's a good price for such a luxurious product. Now, we all know, and if you don't, Cle De Peau is actually, like, real talk, a J beauty, a Japanese beauty brand. It's within the Shiseido companies, but they decided to market it as Parisian French. So I don't really like that, but you know what, whatever. So I've been using this product now for a couple of weeks actually. And what I want to say about this product is it is very hydrating and it makes your skin very luminous and dewy looking. So my dried skin people, if you're looking for an oil that's going to really give you that dewy look because you're lacking in moisture, this is definitely an oil that I would look into. It makes my skin very plump. It does, like, it makes it very plump, which we love a good plumped look, and it makes it very firm. The way I use oils is I don't like to apply them independently. I love to mix them in my moisturizers, and I primarily use oils at night. Sometimes I will use them in the daytime, such as this one specifically, if I'm going no makeup and I want a moisturized, healthy, balanced look. That's when I'm gonna reach for an oil in the morning. Now, I'm gonna read you a little bit about this product directly from the website so you can get familiar with it. So the description: an exquisite multi-purpose face oil that leaves skin enchantingly dewy, visibly plump and firm, which I can agree to all 3 of those statements, while reducing dullness and the appearance of wrinkles. So it's not going to take the wrinkles away, it's just going to fix their appearance temporarily. For extraordinary youthful resilience, uniquely lightweight, non-sticky, texture absorbs easily to a pleasurable smooth feel on skin. Precious botanicals, peony, and rare orchid deliver a divine fragrance that delights the senses for face, body, and hair. Okay, I don't really like the way this product smells. I don't like the way it smells. Sorry, too perfumey for me. Okay, so here's the directions. I'm gonna apply it for you today. Take some oil on the hand, spread on the palms with both hands, and spread onto the whole face, massaging 3 times. When using on face, use after balancing lotion. I do not have that. I have the La Mer both lotions, and they're good enough for me. When using brightening serum Supreme, apply Radiant Multi-Repair oil afterwards. Don't have. Massage the forehead under the eyes and the cheeks upwards, repeated 3 times. Like I said, I mix this in with my moisturizer, but we're gonna go for it. The key ingredients here, it does list all the ingredients. I'm sorry for the white. The only thing I do have to say is when I get skincare products, the first thing I do is I always read the first couple of ingredients because they're the most potent ingredients in the products. As the list goes down, it goes by least of what's in the product. So your first 1 to 5 ingredients are gonna be what mostly the product is based off of. And what I do wanna say is, it does say the illuminating complex EX delivers unparalleled, paralleled radiance, golden silk essence, Japanese pearl, theanine, and then of course it did mention peony extract and all that. I just want to say, within the first at least 5 ingredients, none of those products were within the ingredients list. It was a lot of humectants. It was a lot of ingredients that are made to give the product a smoothing, I don't know the word, softer, basically like fillers. Like, your face isn't gonna be soft and feel well because it's loaded with peony. It's like actual ingredients that are designed to help formulas feel like that. So I do have to say, I didn't like that. If you're saying that one of your highlighted ingredients is Japanese pearl, I want to see that as number 2 or 3. Now, I think the first was like, well, one of the first 2 was glycerin. That's like very standard in like all moisturizing products. I didn't see any golden silk essence, so, but I'm gonna apply it. So let's open it up. So this is a sample, but you get a long time out of it. The smell is very, very, very perfumey. It reminds me of going into a department store and testing all the perfumes and going, oh my God, that smells just like my grandma. Like, real talk. You know what? I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand to start so you guys can see. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. So here is the product. Okay, and as obviously it's not very thick. It is a little watery, which I do not mind. Here it is on the back of my hand. It's completely translucent, and I am gonna just put some in the center of my palms. Take it from the back of my hand. Here it is on my palms. As you can see, it gives you a very luminous glow. It is somewhat of a drier oil. Oh my God, I just used so much. You guys, there's so much. There's a puddle. Can I like spare some? Oh my God, I just used so much. My face is gonna be like, oh my God, I just poured more. Boom! Some on my neck. How about that? Now we're gonna start massaging it into my forehead. So I'm gonna apply it here, and it says to apply upward. So I am just gently applying this in upward motion around my eye area. Pat gently and start sweeping up. Now I do have to say, this product does feel nice being applied. It definitely feels like it's more of a luxe product. And every time I use products on my neck area, I always go up. So the product is now applied on my face and my neck. And you guys see that, how like moisturized it makes me look? I do have to say it's a beautiful product in that respect. Now, would I recommend this product? This product isn't really at the top of my list because I think I'm mostly bummed out about the smell and the ingredients list. Like, I just wish I would have saw better ingredients more at the top of the list. I just don't like that it has a lot of softening agents. So it's hard for me to like get a real feel for this product because it's like, is my face feeling so good because it's loaded with filler ingredients? Or does it feel good because of what's in it? Now, Cle De Peau is a very loved, luxurious brand. So you do get the luxury experience. Like, you get this beautiful packaging. The product does feel amazing. And it does, I mean, if you guys don't like fragrance, don't buy it. I will say that. But all in all, because this product does make my face like plump, like I love a good firm plump complexion, nothing sagging, nothing like, I like things to be up, you know what I mean? I guess I do have to say I do like this product, but I'm not gonna say to somebody, if somebody were to ask me, oh my God, I wanna drop a ton of money on an oil, which one should I buy? I'm never gonna say this one first. I just think there are better oils out there. In the Tatcha case, I believe it's less expensive. So yeah. Everybody, that's what I have to say about this product. I am just sharing with you my experience and what products I think are actually worth it for my skin. My skin is top priority in my life. Skincare for me is a lifestyle, and I live my skincare experience every day. That is why I come on my YouTube channel and I share my experiences with you guys, because I am so passionate about it, but I do use skincare a lot and I know what I like on my face, and if you can relate to that, then great. Also, I do love to do luxury reviews because I know so many people kind of don't give the tea on them because they're overpriced, and I know there are a ton of people out there that actually want to know about these products and how they perform. Everybody, thanks so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below, let me know what you think. If this product works for you, please let me know, and if it doesn't, please let me know what products you like. Everybody have a great day. Love you. Bye.